Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Wuben T105 Pro. Now I was sent this by Wuben directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's go ahead and show you the specs here on the back. Now the box here is pretty large, so try to get this here. You got 1500 lumens on turbo, high 550, medium 200, low is 40 lumens, and then you have moonlight at 10 lumens. So just showing you there, a little large to get it up close to my camera. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. Now this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need in this box to get you started outside the box. We have a holster, it's open-end design, padding on the side here as well as the head, D-ring. We've got pretty good build quality on this as well. Alright, we have the user manual, and you have multi-languages on this. Got a warranty card. Have a paracord lanyard. USB charging cable. And it is a Type-C. And this was pretty neat that it has a battery holder, so you can carry an extra cell with you. If you're out and about, you have two batteries. You have one in the light, one in a little pouch here, and you can clip that on your belt, and that'll help you always have power. You have two O-rings here, and we have a quality check sticker here, and that's for quality control. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Pretty big light. Feels good in the hand. Now this is heavy here at the head. Feels really good. It's got some weight in there. Now the battery is in here, so definitely got some heaviness to it. Really nice, feels good. No knurling here, but it does have some indentations here on the body that are flat. Help you grip it better. And it feels pretty good. I don't think you're going to slide out even if you're wearing gloves. Heat sinking here on the head. Here's the charging port. Some heat sinking here along the head as well. It's got a gray bezel. Button does stick out past the body, as you can see. Tail clicky to activate the light only. Style and design on this is excellent. And the machining and finish on this is excellent as well. Looks really rugged. Feels good. It's got a tactical look to it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the deep smooth reflector here. This is running the Cree XHP35 high LED. And that reflector has got to be at least 2 inches or more deep. Super deep down in there. It's really going to help with the throw. Okay. Now let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with, as well as the springs. There's the tail spring, pretty heavy duty on that. Have a little protective sleeve here, you want to take that off of the battery. There is another spring down inside. Unfortunately, the barrel doesn't come away from the head, so we're going to go ahead and show you the battery that this comes with. Alright, now look at this. This is a 26650, 5,000 milliamps on this. This is a 20 amp cell, protected, so it should be able to provide you more than enough power to run this light. So we're going to go ahead and put everything back together, and let's go ahead and go through the UI. Put everything here on the box. Now, to activate the light, you're going to use the tail clicky. That turns it on, and you can see the W lights up there, letting you know you got good battery power. Really a narrow beam on this, if you can see that. How narrow that is. It's really going to be a tight beam. It's on the lowest light output here, and we're going to go through the light outputs. Now remember, on dedicated throwers, you don't have to have a lot of lumens on there to throw that light out there. Then of course it goes back down. Now at any time, if you want to get to strobe, you can double click to get strobe. Now this one speeds up and slows down, so it's a variable on that strobe. Double click again will get you SOS. And then if you click it again, it does have memory mode. It will go back to the last light output that you had it on. Now at any time on any light output, you can press and hold the side switch to get turbo and release it. So it's instant access to turbo. So that's going to be really nice, especially if you need all that light output right away. And that's all there is to this light. Super easy UI. Wuben lights are never really that difficult to operate, and man, are they built well. And this is no exception. Alright, so let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wuben T105. Go ahead and get started. 35 feet to that water spout from where I'm standing. And maneuver this way. Hold the side switch. 35 feet. 65 feet to that tree there. A little windy out here, so if you hear a little wind, sorry about that. There it is on the fence. Really tight spill on this. And we'll see if it's going to make a tree of life. It does. So it's making 138 feet on the lowest light output. That's impressive. Alright, we're going to go to the next level. A little jump there. You can see how tight that spill is on this light. Tree line, fence line, Really nice throwing attitude on this light. And it is faintly making that one behind the Tree of Life there. It's 238 feet. Making that tree a lot better now. Shine it over here. Looks really good. We're going to go on the next level. We're going to go here on the Tree of Life. Little jump there. Spills come alive. You can see how pinpoint that hot spot is. A lot of bleeding there. Really was impressed with this. I tried it out on turbo earlier and it did really well. Easily making it across the park. The other park over there. Tree line, fence line. Really tight spill. Literally easily fit in my camera. Alright, we're going to go to the next level. And we'll do it over here. Yeah, that's nice. Range on this is really nice. Very impressed with this. Making those palm trees even on this setting here. Easily making the schools, you can see even with their lights on. Tree of Life. Tree behind it. Quite a ways away. And now it's making those ones in the furthest distance out there, which is very impressive. Lighting up that park easily, as well as this one over here. Again, tree line, fence line. Alright, we're going to go up to the next level here. Look at how tight that beam is. Super tight. Very small spill. Doing really good on this though. Easily making it across the park. And across the park even further. Yeah, that's doing really good. Very nice performance on this light. Again, palm trees with authority. Really nice pinpoint accuracy. Does have some bleeding from that spill, so it kind of lights up around that. But the spill is just super tight. So we're going to do a before, after. It's got some really good run times on 1500 lumens. I haven't experienced any step down at all. I had it on for about 4 minutes earlier tonight, and now it's doing really well, even during this night shot view of it. Look at that. Really nice thrower. Do a beam profile just up and down. Very nice. And I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Amazing performance on this. Really super tight beam. It's got some excellent throw on this, especially for its size. You know, a lot of these throwers, you know, they have the big old heads on them. Not needed with this. This thing has a relatively smaller head. The body is not too long, so you can easily hold this. Definitely lighter to carry versus some of these other multi-cell lights or compact throwers. This is definitely really nice. Not seeing any issues. Build quality top notch for Wuben, as well as performance on this. I cannot get over how tight that beam is. Now the spill is not real wide, so if you're wanting a kind of a dedicated thrower with a very tight, small spill area, this is definitely going to fit your needs. Really impressed with this. I've got to take my hats off. This is a very nice kit. Looks really good in the holster. It does stick out at the bottom, so if you are carrying it on yourself there on the side pant pocket, this does hang out a little bit like that. But I really like the fact that you can carry an extra battery with you and clip this onto your backpack, or even click it onto the D-ring as well on your side like that, and be able to have an extra battery. That way if this one goes dead, you're ready to go. So that's how that looks. More than enough protection on it. Now the bottom is exposed. Not a real big deal on that. But quality is really top notch on this model, as well as all the lights that I've ever tested with Wuben have been really top notch. Alright, again I want to thank Wuben for sending me this to review. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these compact super throwers to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.